ABT presents A1 Level Conversations.
A conversation at the cafe.
Hello, my name is Sam. Today, I want to share how great is my friend and what a wonderful cafe we often visit. Maybe you can go soon. The cafe is on my street. This cafe is called The Corner. It is a small cafe. I go there every Saturday. The cafe and the chocolate cake there is fantastic. My friend is Anna. Anna is a nice person. She is a busy student. She studies a lot. But she always looks for a gap in her agenda to sit with me and enjoy a delicious coffee. We always sit at a table near the window. We like this table because it has an amazing view of the park. Today, Anna orders a tea, and I order my special coffee and 2 slices of chocolate cake. While we wait for our drinks, Anna talks about her week. She says, "I have a new class. It is a class about art. Thanks God the teacher is good. He is Italian and he knows a lot of the Vatican art. You know that is my favorite place in the world, and I want to do my apprenticeship there next summer." How happy she is now. Then I talk about my week. I say, "I have a new hobby. It is painting." Anna looks so interested, then she gives me some tips for my new hobby. How kind she is. We talk and talk. This is a great day with a great friend at a great cafe.
Now, let's practice. In the description section, you can find the link of the material for this audio. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Leave it in the comments. We'll be happy to help you. For extra material or tips, don't forget to visit our website or our fan page on Facebook. That's all for today. If you enjoy it, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.